In today's video, I will teach you how to save GIMP files as a JPEG in Gimp. Let's get started. Navigating through Gimp's file saving process, especially for JPEG format, might seem perplexing at first, but this comprehensive guide breaks down the steps from the quick basics to slightly in-depth considerations, and even a glimpse into the advanced options. To simplify the process, you can open your XCF file in Gimp, which is the native file format. Then go to the menu bar, go to File, then choose Export As. Select JPEG as a file type and configure compression settings, then you can now save your Gimp file as a JPEG effortlessly. Note that the Save and Save As commands direct you to use the XCF format, and for other popular formats like JPG, PNG, or TIFF, you can utilize the Export As command. For a slightly in-depth guide on perfecting JPEGs, you can open your image in Gimp and select Export As from the File menu. Navigate to the Save selection, name your file, and choose JPEG as the image type. Then click the plus icon next to the Select File Type by extension and choose JPEG Image. Then click Export to start the process. And for advanced tips, you can adjust the quality slider for optimal compression, balancing image quality and file size. For photographs, leave it at 100 for maximum quality. For web or social media, find the right balance in between image quality and page load times. Use the Show Preview in Image Window option to observe the effects of the slider. For a more precise guide, we can explore the advanced options. Let's start with Optimize and Progressive settings. Optimize applies an additional compression algorithm for bit depth to reduce file size. And Progressive is relevant for online downloads displaying partial image while downloading. Note that the default settings for Optimize and Progressive usually suffice, while advanced options are for specialized use. Saving GIMP files as JPEGs is indeed an art, from quick and easy steps to the nuanced considerations for quality and file size. Whether you opt for simplicity, slightly in-depth adjustments, or delve into advanced settings, understanding the process enhances your ability to tailor images to your specific needs. Next time you save a GIMP file as a JPEG, embrace the flexibility and precision that GIMP offers for optimal results. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.